Stop scrolling and consider the following.
What's up, Wood Talk fam? Got me on at work again, but I saw another video from another fellow Wood Talker, part of the family. Do this. Go follow this. Go check this video out. If you can, enter this raffle. Let's help him out. Let's help out another fellow woodworker. Let's let them keep their dream alive. We got to do this. That's what we're here to do. Support this family. Everybody came through and, clutch, helping me out with the last one. Get that kid some followers. Let's do the same thing for John. Go help. If you got $20, enter the raffle. Do it. Help him out. Help make sure that he's got he can keep going and keep building. Hell, might get a really cool table. I might actually do this just in case, hey, an extra table. Why not? Love y'all. Keep doing what you're doing. See you later, Wood Talk fam.